is still going strong. Panic at the Disco is still going strong. He plays 8 instruments. He plays 8 instruments. But he's experimented with men. But he's experimented with men. He's happily married to a lady. He's happily married to a lady. He was bullied as a child. He was bullied as a child. He wrote and performed a song for the movie Jennifer's Body. He wrote and performed a song for the movie Jennifer's Body. He made memorable Vine videos. He made memorable Vine videos. He has a 4-octave musical range. He has a 4-octave musical range. He did his own drug history, Fall Out Boy. He did his own drug history of Fall Out Boy. He became a Broadway star. Not many rock and roll singers are also bona fide Broadway stars. In 2017, Urie played the lead role of Charlie Price in the Tony Award-winning Cyndi Lauper/Harvey Fierstein musical Kinky Boots. His performance was well received, and fans regularly mobbed him at the stage door. It got so bad, in fact, that Urie had to stop doing stage door signings for his mental well-being. A tad boy, Brendon, showed the world that self-care should be a priority, even for rock stars. He was raised Mormon. A post shared by Brendon Urie at Brendon Urie on Feb 27, 2016 at 6:37 p.m. PST. Urie was born in the heart of Mormon country St. George, Utah, and raised in Las Vegas, a city with a surprisingly large Mormon population. His family are practicing Mormons, though Urie left the religion when he was 17 years old. As he explained to The Independent, "I still use a lot of good values from growing up in the church, and there was a sense of community. But you were also being heavily judged by people that wanted to look down on you for not being as great as they are. That's not the sense I get when I'm touring and just in music in general. So meeting fans and interacting with other bands has become a new religion to me, one that's overwhelmingly beautiful and enlightening."
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.